So, yeah. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what is inside my Ipsy bag in my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of March. Yay! These actually came quite early this month, so if you're ready, then I'm ready, so let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam. Hit that notification bell, therefore you know when I post, and even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. If you want to know how I came up with this amazing rock star eye look that I got going on, you can check out my last video, which is the Eyeshadows and Tea and reviewing the Pure and Trolls Part 2 palettes. For today, we are going to see what is inside my Ipsy and my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of March. They actually came quite early this month, and I'm really excited to see what we got. Last month was a great month, and I'm hoping that they continue with that. So let's just go ahead and jump on in. Okay, I do have to forewarn you right now, if you hear any kind of chuckling or laughing, it is the hubster in the background. He is watching videos on his PS4 and he's got his headphones in. So he doesn't know how loud he's going to be, but whatever. It is what it is. Let's go ahead and see what's inside my regular Ipsy bag first. If I get it open. We've got a couple outside items, but let's go ahead and just get the bag out first. Ooh, I like this bag. I wish they had the studs on the back though. That would have been really cool. Oh, this is the 100th Ipsy Glam bag. Now this month in celebration of the 100th Ipsy Glam bag, they gave an extra product out, so we got 6 products instead of just 5 like we normally do. But I like the studs on this. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. This is nice. Let's go ahead and get the card out. Okay, on the card it says Celebrate You, March 2020. That's the theme for this month. This is your invitation to a celebration of our 100th glam bag and you. Let's high five how far we've come and where we're going. To get the party started, we added a bonus product as a thank you for being along for the ride. Open up your 6 glam bag picks valued at $50 plus and cue the confetti. It is time to have some fun. And it says on here, giveaways for days. Party on. Our 100th glam bag celebration is still going strong. Join us at Ipsy for exciting giveaways every single day. Epic products, cash prizes, and so much more. We're ending the month with a bang. And it has a website where you can get all the details of the celebration. And for those of you who do get Ipsy, March 25th is when you get to choose your product for April. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see what the outside bag products are. Got 2 of them. Ooh, the first one is from Luxie. You guys know I love me some Luxie brushes. This is the 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush. I'm going to take it out of the package because I know I'm going to keep it. Ooh, this is really nice if you're using like a kind of like a luminous luminous powder, kind of like the Jaclyn Hill luminous setting powder, to just sweep that across your cheeks. I'm not using that today. I didn't use that today though. I used the Too Faced not Do Me, the, what is it called? Do You. This is the one I use, the Do You in Translucent Radiant Pearl. But you can use it for those just to sweep around your cheek. Oh, I'm excited for this. All right, the next item that was outside of the bag is from Kenzie. It is a perfume, and it's called So Pretty. Let me hold that right. It doesn't say on the box if it is... Oh, never mind. There it is right there. It says vegan and cruelty-free fragrance. Let's see what she smells like. This is what she looks like. She is a spray. She is not a roller ball. It's got like, when you first smell it, it kind of smells like an old lady perfume. I hate to say that, but as the scent goes through your nose, the notes die down. It has like a sweet scent to it. It's weird. I'm not a huge fan of it, so I will probably give this to somebody who would like this, because I'm not a fan. Okay, now let's see what is inside the bag. Ooh, the first item is the item I picked, which is the Tatcha water cream. I love this stuff. I have yet to repurchase a bigger jar of it because I have been using the Ulta Beauty one. It's the Waterfall Gel Cream, I believe it's called. It's a great dupe for this because this is so stupid expensive. So yeah, I am really stoked about this. Okay, next up we have something in bubble wrap. Okay, it is from Wonder Beauty. I don't know what it is. It just says Trip to Costa Rica. I guess this is a bronzer. It's a really pretty shade. That's a really pretty shade. I'm going to have to try this out, because I have been all about trying out different bronzers lately, even though we all know the Makeup Revolution one is my jam. Ooh. We have something from Pacifica. And it is the Wild Hemp-infused eyeshadows. Let's see what this looks like. This is what it looks like. It's a little neutrals palette. I don't know how my eyes are going to act towards this. I am going to try it out because my eyes do not like anything that is infused with CBD and hemp, but I don't know how much is in this. So I will have to try this out and see how my eyes react to it. I may have to pop a Claritin. All right, and the last item we have is from Shania B. I guess that's the brand. It is a highlighter in the shade Guava Glow. It says on the back it's not tested on animals, which is good. Ooh, that's pretty. I like the flamingo imprint. I probably won't keep this because I have 50 million highlighters going on. So I will put this in the box for the future giveaway that I've already planned out. It's going to be great. All right, I am going to clean all this up and then we are going to see what is in my Ipsy Glam Plus box. Alrighty, now it's time to see what is inside my Ipsy Glam Plus box. Alright, let's get the card out first. It's going to say the same thing as the other one. Alright, first item. Ooh, we got from Hemp's Pure Herbal Extract Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer. I actually do like this brand. I think this is one of the few brands that, ooh, that smells good. One of the few brands that use, that are hemp-based that my skin does actually like. So I am really stoked about this. They are cruelty-free, and I do, yep, it is vegan as well. All right, next up. Okay. This is from the brand Malin and Goetz Revitalizing Eye Gel. Interesting. It is cruelty-free, it says at the bottom of the box. Let's see what this looks like. I can't wait to try that out, because I need a good eye gel. I really do. So I'm kind of stoked about that. Next we have, ooh, this is the item I picked out. It is from the Balm. It is the Pick Perf eyeshadow palette. I have never tried an eyeshadow palette from the Balm, so when I was able to pick this out, I was really excited about it. Now I just got to get the thing open. This is so cool. This is what it looks like. Primer. Oh my god, they actually have a primer in this palette. This is really cool. I can't wait to try this out. And I love the packaging of it. It is so cute. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Next up, we have a brush from the brand Complex Culture, and it is their precision concealer brush. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this is very luxurious. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty free or not. Ooh, that is neat. We're gonna have to check, because I really do like this brush. Next item we have is from the brand Phase Zero, and it is a matte liquid lipstick. Doesn't say the shade on. Oh, it might be the shade Undercover. Let's open it up. Yes, it's the shade Undercover. It's okay. I'm not a real big fan of this shade. And I don't know if this brand is cruelty free or not. It doesn't say on the box. So I'm going to have to check. I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway box. The last item is from Seraphine Botanicals. Sorry, my head itches. I have gotten products from them in the past. I do know that they are cruelty free. And this is the Luna Liner, a water resistant liquid eyeliner. Doesn't say what shade it is. Oh, pitch black. See, not tested on animals, and it's vegan. Let's see. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not, because I have a butt ton of black liquid liners. So this might go into the giveaway as well. I'm not going to open it up because it has a safety seal on it. Alrighty, I am going to clean all this up, then we're going to run down the prices of these products. Alright, before we get into the prices, I forgot to show you the bag that was in my Glam Plus box. And it's this bag right here. I don't know if I'm a big fan of it, because once you flip it up, I do like how it says Unstoppable, but I don't like this neon green going on. It just, yeah, I think I like the regular bag better than this one. And on the back it says Ipsy. Okay, let's go ahead and do the prices for the Glam Plus box first. They actually put them in the card this time. The moisturizer retails for $10.59. The Pick Perf palette retails for $26.50. The Phase Zero lipstick retails for $16. There's always that one product. The eye gel retails for $42. The Seraphine Botanicals liner retails for $18. And this brush retails for $26. What is it with Ipsy giving me these stupid expensive brushes. Last month we had the $154 brush set. Now we got this one that's $26. What's going on? Do I have lipstick on, Tea? Sure do. What's going on here? Crazy. Now for the prices for the regular glam bag, it is going to tell me the retail price for the full size product. This Luxie brush, $24. What are these companies making these brushes out of? I just want to know. The Kenzie fragrance. This is a deluxe sample. The full size goes for $55. The Tatcha water cream. I know this is stupid expensive for the full size, but it lasts a while. Like, I bought a full size jar here. I bought a full size jar and it lasts me for 6 to 8 months. So, because a little goes a long way. This is a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $68. The Wonder Beauty, it is a bronzer. The Wonder Beauty bronzer. The full size is $36 and it's 4 grams of product. Eyeshadow palette from Pacifica retails for $9. Let me hold this right. The eyeshadow palette from Pacifica retails for $9. And the Shayna B Miami highlighter, the full-size product retails for $29. You do get 4.5 grams of product. Overall, I am really impressed with this month's box. I really enjoy the products that they gave me. Everything was cruelty-free and vegan. I only had to check on one item. And, well, I do have to check on one item to see if it is or not, and that's that brush. But overall, I am really, really impressed. There are only a couple things I'm not going to keep. I'm not going to keep the perfume, the highlighter, the liquid lipstick, and the eyeliner, and that brush, depending on if it is cruelty-free or not. I will have a link down in the description box if you want to sign up for Ipsy. It is just a referral link. It is not an affiliate link. I don't earn any money from it at all whatsoever. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all of my social media handles will be down in the description box. However, I do not have a Twitter account, so if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, I can't talk, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products that I used to make this look for you guys will be down in the description box as well. I love you all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye! As much as I love this eye look, it is 2 o'clock in the morning. It is time to take it off. I am really, really impressed with this month. Ipsy's getting their game back on.